Okay, welcome to the Lamborghini section here for a Concourse Las Vegas. Here we have an exposed full-body carbon fiber Centenario, and you can see with the C and the O, you got like the bull horns on either side. I like the blue accents on this one, and mirrored on the other side is another exposed carbon fiber Centenario with the yellow accents. So let us know which one you like more. I think the blue's cool, but I think I've seen more photos of the yellow accent one over there online. Cyan over there, and then right here my favorite Lamborghini of all time. This one is finished in a matte carbon fiber or dry carbon fiber weave. This is the Sesto Elemento, a Lamborghini that was designed for the racetrack. You can see those seats basically infused into the chassis of the car. It's simple yet so futuristic, I would say, with those harsh angles from the front to the back. I love the red accents absolutely everywhere in that hollowed exoskeleton of a front dash with forged carbon fiber from side to side. Backing up to the left, let's just do a quick walk around of the Sesto Elemento. Featuring 570 horsepower with that 5.2 liter V10. This is still based on the Gallardo era for Lamborghini, and when we walk over to the side we can see these like hollowed out hexagons above where that 5.2 liter V10 actually is. Everything is exposed carbon, even to this wing right here, and the tips you can see like a carbon fiber weave. So this car itself, they made about 10 of them, and from reports from what I saw online, they were going to make between 10 to 20. It was 1.8 million euros when it was new, and now these cars I think are being sold for 3 to 4 million. Sometimes I've seen some that are listed even higher. Let me know if you are up to date with pricing for Sesto Elementos with a 0 to 60 of under 3 seconds, and this being a track-only model. When you consider when this car came out, you know, this is prior to the Huracan and all those incredible cars. This car still holds its own, and it is my favorite Lamborghini of all time. The most impressive element about it is not the exposed carbon weave or the exterior design elements. In my opinion, it's the weight. This is a 2,200 pound curb weight super track car, and that is insane to me. That's well over 1,000 pounds less than like the Z06, and it's about 800 pounds less than my McLaren 750S. So if that gives you a good idea of how fast and capable this car probably is on track, good. Cyan's are pretty cool because they really debuted that new era for the Revuelto by featuring that hybrid powertrain. To the left, we have the Countach, the continuation cars that bring what these were in the past to a modern day reincarnation. These are also millions of dollars. My favorite modern Lamborghini that you can buy, well, it's old now, is the SVJ. We had a lot of fun driving one of these all the way out to Las Vegas one time. This thing was like the most expensive Lamborghini new at the time. Real quickly, are you tired of getting rock chips on your new car and you want to make sure that it stays OEM fresh with the paint? Well, that's why you need paint protection film or windshield protection film to shield that expensive windshield of yours from getting damaged. If you need any of those services, make sure to reach out to our in-house studio, Speed Phenom Film, designed and started to help all of you. So if you need paint protection film, ceramic coating, windshield protection, or more, call 760-496-8607 today for a free quote. Back to the video. Here we have the Lamborghini Veneno. Now when this came out, this was like the most expensive Lamborghini you could have bought. $4.5 million was the price tag. You're getting 740 horsepower with that V12 out back. That's 6.5 liter V12, 750, I think, for 750 PS, or I could be wrong, it's 750 horsepower. Correct me please in the comment section down below. And the 4 refers to four-wheel drive. So like I was saying, this was the lightest version of the Aventador, because they made different variants, of course. And here we have different options, I think, for downforce configurations. Yes, I like that. I'm a fan of customizing aero on these cars. So much carbon. I think with all these exit vents and these blades everywhere with this diffuser, this could be my second favorite all-out Lamborghini behind the Sesto Elemento. Then you have the 50 right there for well, their heritage. The company was turning 50 years old, I think, when they made this Veneno. Wow, I wonder how much money these are going for these days. Let us know if you have any idea in the comments section down below. And we found the official Lambro parking lot. Here's where all the Lamborghinis are. And I think these are a bunch of customer cars, and there's this huge section out here in the very corner for the concourse. Actually, seeing the STO now in person again, after looking at the Veneno, I think they might have taken a lot of elements from the Veneno and put it into the STO, namely where that rear hatch is above the V10. You have those same like louvered blades out back that give it that aggressive look, which also completely deletes your rear end visibility, right? Revueltos are finally coming out, but I think Performantes are alongside STO, in my opinion, for some of the best bang for your buck Lamborghinis that they had. Storado over there, so that's in its natural environment, right? Off the road, unlike these cars. Aston Martin Valhalla right here, so we've seen the Valkyries and another one with the red carbon finish. So cool to see these cars. And when you look at the design versus the Valkyrie, you can see some similarities here and there, but they have redesigned quite a lot to make the Valhalla what it is. And I love the rear end though. Like, this rear end is just the most incredible rear end out of any car right now. Look at those tail lights too. They're kind of 3D, protruding outwards. How did Aston Martin do it? I am so impressed with the team. A lot of the times these cars all share like similar owners, where the guy who owns the Speedtail owns the Koenigsegg, right? Well, that's a pretty sick one. The Phoenix. Wow. Okay, well, there you have it. This is full behind the scenes today for Concours. So much fun bringing in that Artura to the show here and parking it, because I've never really been part of this event, and yeah, I don't have my car parked here with fellow McLaren owners. I got to help the team out, McLaren, so that was a lot of fun. So hope you guys enjoyed watching that content. And we got to see some behind the scenes with them putting on the track layout for the public streets. That's cool. And then soon they'll be bringing the F1 race here. So let me know if I'll see you guys out there for F1. If you enjoyed this behind the scenes, just look at the supercar lifestyle out here. Hit the like button. It really helps us out. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss a new video coming out. I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget, one extra day of you not calling us could be the difference between a rock chip in your paint or protection. So act now. Call us at 760-496-8607 to get a free quote today at Speed Phenom Film.